Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the American origins of Nazi science. The blueprint for the Holocaust wasn't drafted in Berlin. It was peer-reviewed in New York. When the Nazis needed science to justify genocide, they didn't invent it. They imported it from the United States of America. 1890, 1910, the eugenics factory. Darwin's cousin Francis Galton coined eugenics, but America industrialized it. By 1910, 29 states had forced sterilization laws. The world's first eugenic science predates Nazis by 26 years. Hereditary feeble-mindedness. 1920 to 1935, they exported the business. The Nazis didn't plagiarize, they cited sources. Hitler called Madison Grant's work my Bible, while Himmler modeled Dachau on American Indian reservations. The same science, in different uniforms. You gotta follow the money. Even as war loomed, U.S. philanthropists kept funding Nazi race science. Why? Because sterilizing defectives was always a transatlantic product. The industrialization of murder required American venture capital. But Americans still haven't learned their lesson. The science behind white supremacy was never debunked, just rebranded. From IQ tests to border policies, eugenics never left, it just got better PR. Auschwitz wasn't built in a day. It was workshopped in Indiana. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep making history. I'm Darren Lomar, and I'll see you soon.